Well, here we go again. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will be going over 5 free APIs that you should use in your next project. I know we've all been on Rapid API before and you've been looking for an API, and in your mind you're thinking, okay, I found the best API ever. And then you click on the API and the next thing you see is that you only get 10 requests for an entire month. That's not right. You got to pay for more. We're not trying to do that. We're going to do things the free way, the easy way. And so the first thing that I'm going to help you guys out with is, first, we're going to identify the API. We're going to show you what the API is, okay? Or I'm going to show you. And then the next thing we're going to do is show you the free features of the API. And you're probably thinking to yourself, what about the use case? Yes, we're going to go over the use case for that API. So I will give you project ideas that can be done with that API. All right. But before we get into all of that, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, like the video. It does help me out. Make sure you watch the entire thing. And I do want to say I do not do this full time, so doing those things would help me a lot in my YouTube journey. So thank you guys for that. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. Number one on my list is coin ranking. And so coin ranking, the simplest API for cryptocurrency prices, real-time and historical. And as you can see on the left side, you get a lot of different things. And so first we're going to go to the pricing. Let's see. So we got the basic and we have 0. We got 10,000 a month, which is a great limit. And we have 5 seconds per request. Let's go back to the endpoints here. And so from there, we're going to look at these on the side here. We got coins, exchanges, markets, stats. And what we're going to do is look at an example response. Look at the get coins and example response, coin 0. And you get a good amount of information here. I got an ID, a symbol. You also have the price right now. And so great API if you're looking into making like a cryptocurrency app, any kind of budgeting app that you want to put your cryptocurrencies into. Those are some project ideas that you can kind of come up with off of coin ranking. So let's go to another one. This is going to be for more of a weather app. And so let's type in weather, and you can use this one, the first weather, or you can reuse the weatherapi.com. I like weatherapi.com. But I'm gonna tell you why you might want to use weather instead if you have this use case. But let's go to the pricing first to see what we're gonna get here. We're gonna get 1 million a month. All right, we're not gonna get the future API, but we're gonna get real-time weather, hourly, sports, astronomy, time zone, search, 3-day forecast, 7-day history. So let's go back to the endpoints and take a look at what we're gonna be getting. So like I said, we're not gonna get the future, but we're gonna get these right here: time zone, forecast, history, astronomy, real time, search too, sports too. We're just not gonna get these two. And so what we're gonna do is take a look at the forecast, test the endpoint, and we're just gonna take a look at what we have here. This is a lot of information that you can build a great weather app with. The only thing that you won't have is a 5-day forecast, and so that's what I was talking about with the weather right here, the weather API, which I believe you can get a 5-day forecast on here if you need it. So 5-day forecast, subscribe and test, but you only get 25 a day. So you're looking on the lower end, but it is per day. So if you're really careful, you can get away with this. But the reason I don't like this one over the other one is because it's only 25 a day. But like I said, if you really want the 5-day forecast, you can use this. It can be doable with 25 a day, but I like that 1 million a month, man. It looks a whole lot better. All right, man, let's continue. Number 3 on the list is a YouTube app. So you want to build a YouTube app, we're going to use YouTube V3 for that, YouTube V3. And so I feel like this is the best one. It's another one I'm going to show you guys, but YouTube V3 is a great choice if you're looking on building a YouTube clone. Or you can build out a project, whatever it is. Let's say you're building a cooking project or a food app, and you want to add a video to it, like YouTube videos. You can use this for that. All right. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this. We have suggested videos, search, video details, channel videos. A good amount of stuff. We're going to subscribe and test, and it's going to take you until you get 500 a day. I have multiple Rapid API accounts, guys, so don't judge me. That's why a lot of these ain't already I'm not already subscribed to. I got multiple accounts. But anyway, so we're going to just look at video details just so you can get an idea of the endpoints that you're going to get. And so let's go to content details. page info or statistics. Here we go. View count. You see you got the view count, you got a like count, and you have, look at that description here. And so a lot of great things that you can come up with this YouTube API. Like I said, you can either make an entire YouTube clone, or you can add this API to an existing app that you're building out. And you could like have the videos, like a video section that gives more detail to what you're trying to do about, like if you've been, like I said, a cooking app, put some cooking videos in there, you know what I'm saying? So the next one on the list is gonna be the, I think it's Edmund or ED, here we go, food and grocery database. So we're gonna click here, and what this is, you only have one thing here. So there we go, parser. So what you can do is type in like a food, like this says Apple test endpoint, and you're gonna see a lot of different searches for Apple. So food, they give you label, nutrition, and all that, give you images and the measurements, stuff like that. A lot of endpoints just for Apple. And so my ideas with this would be some kind of grocery list app, a food database app, of course, but definitely like a grocery list, a shopping list, where somebody can type some things in and then they can already have these results, and you have the ingredients and you can kind of add to it, and where you can save that information in an app. So let's go to, not discussions, I want to go to, oh wait, I forgot to mention, this one is completely free. So there is no pricing tab here, right? And so this one is completely free, great to use, don't have to worry about anything, just use it, build out some great apps with the admin, or I don't know how to say that, I don't know, food and grocery database. Okay, I'm probably saying that wrong, don't judge me. All right, and so this is a great API, and you can make a great grocery list app or something like that, a nutrition app, or add it to like a fitness app for somebody looking to add their food to it. All right, so one more, we're gonna talk about one more, and that is, we're gonna talk about this one. I think it's a movie database app, and it's this one right here, updated 6 months ago. Now, when I made a movie database, I used like, I think it was it wasn't on Rapid API, but it still was great. I'll talk about that one in a separate video, but this is still a good one to use on Rapid API for the Rapid API fans. So type, okay, we gotta put type in. Let's type Spider-Man, type test endpoint. And so here we go. Got four results. Give you images. Give you the, there it goes. Make Spider-Man 2. Title text. And so you can get different kind of movie titles in here. You can build a great movie database app with this. It's great. And so like season numbers are in here, and it is also completely free to use. And so I like completely free. You don't have to worry about anything. All right, so that is the list right there. Let me know what you think about that list down below in the comment section, man. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.